activated by the water that you and I drink.
You'll be saying wow every time you use this towel.
The blanket that has sleeves.
When it comes to collaboration, nothing beats a big whiteboard. But after you've created your perfect diagram, what do? Take a regular old picture with your phone, an image you can barely read, sandwiched inside a giant album of unrelated photos. But with Rocketbook beacons, you can capture and share perfect whiteboard images with the whole team in an instant. Beacons aren't some expensive new gadget. Just 4 magic stickers together with your phone turns any ordinary whiteboard into a rocket board. Old whiteboards are white boring, but beacon images auto crop and color pop, producing content more crisp and vibrant than the real thing. The Rocketbook app sees your beacons and connects to your whiteboard even from steep angles, so you've always got the perfect shot. Sharing ordinary whiteboards is normally such a hassle, but beacons instantly blast your content to the place it belongs in the cloud services you already use. Inside the Rocketbook app, you can assign up to 7 shortcut symbols to a location within Dropbox, Google Drive, Slack, or many other services. Simply scan your beacons and the app will automatically prompt you where to send it. So you can capture that customer meeting to a shared Google Drive folder, or blast that brainstorm with the team right to your Slack channel. To save even more time, jot down a couple hashtags next to your title and the app will automatically transcribe it to the file name. It's like controlling the internet with a marker. Looking to collaborate in real time? Whiteboards on webcams are blurry and shake, but with beacons, it's a piece of cake. Simply select Snapcast mode and your dry erase is in cyberspace. Just send out the unique URL and your whiteboard is broadcast live so everyone in the meeting can follow along. And remember, beacons use restickable micro-suction technology so they can easily be moved between boards and walls. Don't be a photo roll failure. Brainstorm like a boss. Strap your whiteboard to a rocket and blast off with Rocketbook beacons.